Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
Double tap the screen for a like. Come join me, guys. I just want to say hello to everybody. It's been a minute since I've been actually on a live. The last live I did, I was actually... It was a silent live. I was doing my hair. I was putting waves in my hair, and y'all look at it. Look at my hair. Look at it, y'all. What do y'all think? See, I spent all that time, but there's a story behind it. I'm gonna post another video today explaining what happened to my hair. I did a wave iron video, me putting waves in my hair using a wave iron and a wavy iron, and they turned out so great, y'all, and everything. But there was an issue with the situation going on. Okay, so my air went out at home. So just as fast as I was putting the waves in my hair, literally I was sweating it out at the same time. Yeah, so I'm gonna talk to y'all about that, but I just wanted to say hello. We will be in touch because I'm going to go live again today. I know that there's a time difference where I'm at, Texas time. I think it's like 2:47 maybe. I think California is about 2 hours behind. It's 12:47 here, so I'm kind of off with my timing. So y'all come say hello. Join me on this live. I wanted to talk with y'all for a bit because I figured I'm gonna start doing lives of me doing my hair, but they will be silent lives instead of talking lives. So I am on my way back to the room, and I decided to go live while I walk on my way back to the room. See if anybody pops in. And my battery is low, so I don't plan on being on here long because my battery is extremely low. It's at 10%. But it's so beautiful here in California. Oh my gosh. Beautiful weather. Newport is a gorgeous place to be, and I'm enjoying it. We've been at the pool just about all morning. So the birthday girl wants to be at the pool all morning, so that's where we're gonna be all day, rather. Because now it's afternoon. So yeah, guys, I don't know what's going on, but hold on 1 second. Is this something I was supposed to do? I usually have another phone that I can do a quick test. I'm hoping y'all can see me and hear me. I don't know if you can, but if you can see me and hear me, I can't see comments for some reason. Let's see. Not sure what happened to my screen. It may not be a good quality of connectivity here. I don't know. I didn't think of that. That could be it. Maybe I have to get in a certain area of the villa. I don't know. But I can't see anything. But anyway, if y'all can hear me, go ahead and do me a favor. And once this live is over, go to the comment section and leave a comment and let me know you were here. And because I can't see any live chats. If there's any live chats, I can't see them. I don't know what's going on with the connection. But if you are here and you can hear me at the end of this live, which I'm about to end the live in a minute, go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know that you're here. And leave palm trees. Look at those pretty palm trees, the little baby ones. Aren't they gorgeous? I don't know. Can y'all see those? If you are, leave some palm trees in the comments. I don't know if there, I guess there's some type of palm trees. I don't know. Texas don't have these type of trees, so I'm enjoying them. And look, I like these trees too. They are gorgeous. They are like so nice. And it's so cool in LA. I was in heaven when I walked outside. I was like, this is perfect. The sun is out and it's beautiful and it's still a little breeze. Oh my gosh. If it's like this all year round, I might consider moving to California. I don't know. But I can live in a climate like this. Whereas Texas, there's humidity, there's heat. Well, they say it's some humidity in LA, but it's not as bad as Texas. We get 100-degree weather in Texas, so you can hardly keep a style. But anywho, I'm enjoying myself. I am going to be going live this time around. I didn't go live but one time where I was in Jamaica, but in California, I plan to go live more frequently. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. I'm here to a certain time period. So yeah, guys. I just want to say thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for watching my content. Thank you for liking it and commenting. Everything that you're doing, watching my playlist, watching my lives, that really helps a lot. And if there's any videos in particular that you would like to see me do, please feel free in any comment section of any video, just add a comment and let me know what you would like for me to, what would you like to see from me. I want to do content that you guys like, so I don't want to just be, you know, pulling things out. I don't know. Just let me know what you guys like. I do what I feel I like to see in content, or, you know, what makes sense for me. But I also want to include you guys because you guys matter. Your opinions matter to me. And I want to do content that you will enjoy watching. So let me know, what do you think about that? Anyway, it's so weird not seeing you guys as live chat. I can't engage and interact. That was the whole purpose of me going live, to talk to y'all so we can engage and talk and catch up, because it's been a minute. But something's going on with the chat. I can't see any comments. I can't see nothing. I just see me on the screen, which is boring, which is why this live is about to be real short. But I will go live. And you know what? I'm going to put I'm going to schedule it. I think scheduling a live probably would be better than just coming live, because I think it's something to do with the connectivity as to why I don't see any comments. I don't see any live chats. I don't see nothing. There's no action going on the screen. I can't even tell if anybody's watching. So anyway, thank you guys for everything. I appreciate you. Don't forget to put the palm trees in the comments for me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. Actually, wait. I'm gonna keep it open. I changed my mind. I'm gonna keep it open for a tad bit because I don't want to just end the live and we'll just have some sound effects going on, going on, going on.
Crystal.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. We're gonna top this live off at 15 minutes. Yeah, we'll keep it going for like 15 minutes or so, but please put me some hearts in a comment and some palm trees in the comments, please. Palm trees.